What it do YouTube? It's your girl Chatty Shay and welcome back to another video. First of all, y'all, that is natural light that's in my kitchen right now. And yes, baby, it's giving what it needs to give.
What?
Also, my dog just came in. Mommy, Rudy just came in. That's the door that y'all just heard, y'all. My house is jumping on this Saturday morning. I have a mask on, y'all, because your girl is recovering from the flu. Look a mess. I know, judge your mama, not me. Your girl is recovering from the flu, y'all. So we've really been trying to like keep our distance. Like we've been wearing masks in like the common areas, but like in the confinement of our rooms, we really good. But yeah, y'all. So this is day 5 for me. So I'm supposed to be getting over the hump, y'all. So, and honestly, I do feel a lot better than I've been feeling these last few days, y'all. So today is a good day. So I'm up making my husband some breakfast. He asked for eggs and crackers, and then he switched it up to an egg sandwich. So y'all, I don't know what he wants. So we gonna do an egg sandwich, and then he had a hot dog from yesterday. So y'all, I'm gonna just put the hot dog on the plate for him with the eggs on the sandwich and some mayonnaise. Breakfast is done for him. I have some tea, y'all, and like, can we just acknowledge the natural light in my kitchen? Y'all, I know I look a mess. Y'all, your girl been in the bed sick. Let me go get some mayonnaise. Come on, your break. The reason why like I haven't been posting any shorts, if you follow me from my shorts content, or if you follow me from my long content, which is my videos, I posted something I think like 3 days ago maybe, and it was something I recorded last week, which was my birthday. January 13th was my birthday, so I posted it like 3 days ago, and it's a really long vlog, so y'all should go watch that because it's really, really good. Yeah, y'all, so I have some scrambled eggs here with cheese, of course, that I'm putting on the bread, y'all, with the mayonnaise for my husband. I'm off to see my husband. I'm happy. So yeah, y'all, so that's what like, and y'all, we got some packages over here. Y'all, we probably got about 10 to 12 packages that we have to open because I'm redoing my hot chocolate station, y'all. So this video is about me redoing my hot chocolate station. So I feel much better today, and I feel like I could like record content. Like your girl feels strong, and I've been on Amazon buying packages, as y'all can see. Like your girl been buying packages, okay? Because we gonna fix up this coffee station that's over here. Let me show y'all the station. Can y'all see the station? Boom. So we gonna fix up our coffee station over here, y'all, because y'all know we did that for I think it was Christmas. Yeah, we did that for Vlogmas, and y'all, it's not giving what I wanted to give. So I bought a bunch of stuff on Amazon because I really don't have an idea or a direction. So we just gonna try to put together the stuff that I bought and hope it makes sense. And if it don't make sense, I'll just return it and buy new stuff. But yeah, y'all, so this vlog is gonna be about me doing the hot chocolate station. So I'm gonna eat breakfast, take some more meds, drink this tea, probably lay down for a little bit, get back up, and we gonna get into this video because we are redoing this hot chocolate station. Okay, y'all, welcome back to the video. Now, we started this video 2 days ago. Remember when I told y'all I was gonna go lay down and come back and we was gonna finish this hot chocolate station? Yeah, y'all know that never happened, right? Yeah, because I was not feeling good after I laid down, y'all. So I just took the day off, okay? I just stayed in bed the whole day. But y'all, we got some packages here. Not one, okay, let me show y'all. Not one package. Not 2, 3 packages. Not 4, 5 packages. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packages. Y'all, we got a lot of Amazon packages, y'all. I'm so excited because y'all, we getting ready to be doing this hot chocolate station. Let's get into this hot chocolate station, y'all. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to your girl channel because girl, we do everything on this channel. We do everything on this channel, okay, y'all? Also, y'all, I curled this wig today, like this morning. I had to go to a doctor's appointment. If you watched my last video, you know, like, this is a 2 upload video day. Yeah. So yeah, y'all, so I went to the doctor's this morning and I put these curls in this synthetic wig this morning. Yep, baby. Okay, very much a synthetic wig. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So first of all, let me remind y'all of what that hot chocolate station looked like. Y'all, it don't look good. It do not look good, y'all. So this is what our station currently looks like. Remove the chocolate chip cookie. Okay, this is what the station look like, y'all. I actually bought this from Amazon and I put it up there, but y'all, I don't like the fact that this, you could see this. So we're gonna take that down. Okay, we're gonna take this down. So y'all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this area. I'm gonna remove everything from this area, y'all. I actually made this little turntable thing out of a bowl and plate, y'all. So y'all, we getting ready just to redo this whole little area. Hold on, we getting ready to do this whole little area over. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Yeah, let's get into it. Okay. So this is what I mean by I made this, y'all. See, this is a bowl and a plate, y'all. Very much, yeah. Let's not. Okay. All right, y'all. So we have that area clean. As y'all saw, I cleaned that area. So I bought another stand. So I was using this right here to sit the syrups on, but I bought a black stand, y'all. I bought a black one. So let's open this black stand. Alright, y'all, so I put it together, but y'all, it's not even. So I think that I'm supposed to switch. Y'all, do y'all see that? Oh, y'all, this thing is giving me a run for my money. So I'm going to switch because right here it says that 1 and 2 cannot be interchanged, right? So I'm thinking that this might need to go on that side and that need to go on that side, because y'all, it's, child, we're gonna do it again. So the rack is up, y'all, and as y'all can see, this is too low for this, y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up all of the packages and I'm going to build everything I need to build and come back. So y'all saw the little turntable that I rigged up, right, with the cup and the bowl. So I actually bought a black turntable, y'all, and I don't know if I'm gonna like it because it's kind of low, and my other one was high because it was a bowl and a plate, and that's the look that I like. So this is the new one. Cute, right? Because it actually is a turntable, but it's not high enough for me. But we're gonna put it over here, so let's just put it over here. Okay, so this is here. I set up my little turntable. I got my oil, my matchsticks for my candle. So y'all, I opened up another Amazon package, and I believe these are the little acrylic bowls that we're gonna put our stuff in for the coffee station. So let's see. And y'all, I had to take my camera off the camera tripod because every time I put my camera on that tripod, my camera kept turning off. So I don't know what's up with that, y'all, but these are the little cups. Oh, these are so cute, y'all. Look, first of all, I'm not a fan of glass because glass can break. So I like the things that are like that clear acrylic plastic. And y'all, these are so cute and dainty. When I seen these, I was like, girl, we adding these to the station. And like, they come with these little spoons. Oh my gosh, y'all. And I have some marshmallows. Y'all, I was supposed to get some sprinkles from Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree and forgot to get sprinkles, y'all, but it's okay. Oh, let me show y'all how the station looking. Okay, y'all, so this is what we got so far. I put the cups up there. I refilled the bottles. Well, the ones that was empty, chocolate and caramel were empty, so I refilled those. Those still have stuff in it, cinnamon and French vanilla. So I put the cups up there, y'all. I put the stirrers right there. I put my little turntable here. Got my candle and stuff on it, y'all, for burning and cooking and stuff like that. So the next thing is these little cups. So let me do that. Okay, y'all. So I actually bought these hooks so that I could hang that picture, but being that everything like is so tall, I don't know where that picture would go. So let me try to figure this out. But comment down below how y'all think it's coming along so far. Let me know. So after 15 hours, it feels like it took a whole day for me to complete this little project. Because y'all, I could not get that stand together, and the stand is still missing one screw. I could not get the screw in, but it's okay because it look cute. So let me show y'all what it's giving. And I need to get some better batteries because I have some Dollar Tree batteries in the light that is underneath the cabinet. But outside of that, y'all, I'm loving it. So let me show y'all. All right, y'all. This is what it's giving. See, y'all, I cannot get this one from under here. Can y'all see that? I cannot. I can't get it. But anyway, this light is like yellow, but if I had really good batteries, it will be white. So that is what I'm going to do. See, y'all, these I got from Amazon as well, y'all. So we are going to get better batteries so this could be white. But y'all, so I got like the coasters. No, these are like the holders for like if your beverage is too hot. The cups, y'all. I put my little marshmallows in there with the spoon, y'all. I'm gonna put hot cocoa in here, but I have to buy some from Amazon. Then we got our French vanilla, our caramel, our cinnamon, and our chocolate. And of course we have our little turntable, y'all. Here go our Keurig that we already had. I'm gonna clean the Keurig up, y'all. But this is what it's giving. And like all of my stuff is in the drawer right here. So I'm going to restock the drawer, y'all. But y'all, this is what it's giving. Okay, cute. And like y'all, I'm so freaking proud because y'all, this is cute. Like very bougie. Very bougie. But y'all, let me show y'all my Black History decorations because y'all know Black History Month is in 4 or 5 days. Alexa, what's today's date?
Good afternoon, Shannon. Today is Monday, January 27th. If you'd like, I can tell you interesting history facts every morning. Would you like to enable this routine?
No, thank you.
No problem.
Okay, y'all. So y'all heard what he said, right? So Black History Month starts in 4 days, y'all, which really it should be longer than 28 days, but we ain't gonna argue about that right now. Let me show you my decorations. Okay, so coming into my living room, y'all, I have these really cute pillows, y'all, that say Black History Month. Super stinking cute. I love these, y'all. Love them. I want to get something that goes right here. Oh, I need to swap out this, y'all. Oh, let's swap this out because I'm gonna make this orange. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so I have my pampas grass that I'm gonna swap out. I usually use this for fall time, but because it goes with like the Black History theme, we're gonna swap these out. So let me do that. So I'm just taking these out of here. And I'm going to plop these. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's so cute, y'all. Look at it. Oh, it is perfect. Look at that. That is so stinking perfect. So I'm going to store these, but y'all, I need to find something else to go in here, y'all. I don't know, like 1 or 2 pieces of something that's gonna like tie this all together. So comment down below if you have like some ideas. Like if you have ideas, comment down below and let me know, because yeah, I need some inspiration. But y'all, I think this is gonna be the conclusion of this video. I'm getting ready to go do some like really short edits on this video, not too many edits. Oh, let me show y'all the door. Hold on, I didn't show y'all the door. Look at the door, y'all. Oh my girl, what? Let me show y'all the door. Oh, hold on. Look at the door. Harriet led so Rosa could sit, so Ruby could walk, so Kamala could run, so Ketanji could rule. I know I butchered that, but I know who she is, okay? All right, y'all, but this is the door. And I also got, just like the door, I also have a yard sign that's in front of the yard, y'all. And it is blocking like the key part. But y'all, we just gonna scoot that to the side, okay? Period. Because we is not cutting this. We is not cutting this. But y'all, I thought this was so stinking cute. Oh my God. So now that that's all out the way, I have to finish putting away all of this other stuff that I purchased from Amazon that had nothing to do with this video. I have to take the trash out. Can y'all see that trash? Yeah, very much so ghetto. Because I put so many packages and stuff in there. And y'all, that's gonna be the conclusion of this video, y'all, because I want to edit it and put this out in 3 or 4 hours. So woo tab. Yeah, anyway, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend what your girl is doing on this channel. Until next time, bye y'all.